Hi, Lisa, how are you? Can you hear me, Alisa?
Hello.
Yes, hi. Good that
Hi.
you come
Sorry
back.
for.
It's okay.
Huh?
I'm glad that you joined. Okay. So, Alisa, tell me, how was your homework? What do you think about it?
I could do the pseudocode, but
Okay.
I realized I don't know how to like use the for while like functions with 2D arrays.
Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Did you try anything that you would like to share with me?
Uh, Wait. Oh, I tried it on a different device. I forgot. Um, because I was out the whole day, I kind of wrote it on my iPad. But
Okay.
I
Are
did
you able to
like
do some
a
print screens if you would like to share it with me so we can have a look, or even you can share your iPad if you would like to? Whatever method that we can use to just get to have a look
I
at what
think
you've done.
I can I'll just type it into my like laptop real quick while I'm here, cause
So don't be shy to share any handwriting. It's fine. The
oh
point
yeah,
here is not
no,
to get an organized answer, just to get an idea that you are thinking correctly. That's the main point.
ah, no, that's fine. It's just cause my iPad is like connected. It's like two different devices. I would have to like pull it up and everything, so it's more
Never mind.
convenient, I think, if I
Okay.
just type it here.
Okay, sure.
Uh,
As you wish.
my screen share is loading right now, I think.
So I will off my
So,
share. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Okay. So the for loop was not perfect with you, or it was hard on the 2D array. Am I right?
Yeah, I don't really know how to use the for thing for 2D array.
Okay. But are you able to use the for loop for 1D?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to make a for loop, a single for loop, and put make it try to loop through a 2D array, and from there we are able to improve? So, do you have access to your computer at the moment that you are able to write a VB code? Okay, that's
Sorry,
great.
what do you mean?
Okay, so uh-huh. I
No,
can
this
see your
is
screen now.
okay. I'm just typing in like the code that I have on my iPad right now.
Okay.
First, that's all.
So just let me confirm my understanding from what you mentioned. Uh, you are facing a problem with 2D arrays, but with the
Yeah.
pseudocode, you was able to answer the question. There is two pseudocode questions
Yes.
actually. So the pseudocode is related to the binary search and the linear search, and that's one
Oh
thing.
yeah, I managed to. Yep, I managed to do both. I checked the answer using past year paper.
Okay, and it's fine to you, right?
Yep.
Okay, what about the previous questions that we talked about creating composite types? So that was for class, not the previous class, the one before it. I think, if I'm not mistaken, class 5.
Uh,
There was some pseudocode
I don't.
question.
Yeah. About that, I didn't have enough time to
No
go
worries.
look at
Okay,
that one actually.
no problem. Okay, so would you like me to stay? I mean, okay, so we are giving one or two exercises per time. Would you like me to reduce or increase?
I think it can just stay the same.
Stays the same. Okay, good.
Yeah.
So you are answering now the 2D. Mhm.
Yeah, the like assigning the values part. Like initialize the values, that
Okay.
thing.
But did you notice in my exercise text, I already give you uh, the content of the array?
Yep, I'm using that right now.
Okay. Is it normal that you are able to speak and write at the same time? Or does it disturb you if you, does it take from your attention that you would like that you speak when you are writing?
Not really.
Do
I
both?
think I can type and talk easily.
Okay. No, 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 no. I am talking about in general. If you are writing, you need to focus on writing, or you are able to speak and write at the same time.
Oh, I can speak and write at the same time.
Okay. This is not related to the class because I actually have my daughter that also somehow uh, she got a special case and she also is able to do the same. She's able to work and focus when other people speaking at the same time. So yeah, that's kind of interesting to me.
Oh, I see. Yep, I had the code until
Here,
here
okay, run
because
please.
after this,
No worries,
oh,
just run
yeah.
because you have to deliver a running code with the output in your exam. So even the simplest things that you, okay. So can you have a look at the line, please? He's telling you line 12.
Line 12.
He doesn't accept
This
that
one?
you. Mhm. Okay, but position. Okay. First of all, uh, the first thing is I would like you to change the square brackets into square. How to say circle brackets?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So it seems that on line 12, he still doesn't like what he is getting from us, which is quite strange. Um, let me see here. Okay, can you comment line 12?
Yeah.
Are you able to comment? Do you know how to comment?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
Hmm.
And so he still insists that it is error. Um,
Yeah.
just
Uh, I I think I've faced this problem multiple times when I'm like using Replit. Sometimes it like the whole thing just stops working. I will try to make another file.
interesting. Okay. And one more comment, please. So run first before you do anything, please. Can you run first? Yeah. So one more thing I would like to tell you here, that and try to avoid using names that is already reserved or possibly reserved in the language, which VB.NET language. So when you use array, write ARR if you would like to use uh, um, the word array. Don't use ARRY. Don't use it, because this possibly can cause confusion and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes can cause problems when writing a code. So avoid that words that.
Ah.
So this is an array is a data type. It is not
Mm-hmm.
supposed to be used in variable names. So
Ah.
yes, to avoid confusion, and just write ARR. It's possible to write like that, or even matrix. Yes. So yes, okay. Yes, change all to ARR. Why? Like what you created. It is hard to just remove the A. It doesn't
Oh.
allow you. Skip. Okay, run please. Mm, line 14. Why he doesn't like unused? Okay, so actually this is a warning, not an error. You managed to run without an error. I suspect
Ah.
a very high chance, if you add a here again on line number 3, then possibly the array color or the variable name color will change. So that gives me a big suspect that actually the cause of the error is the name that you use. So avoid using variable names as array, integer, or string, and make a short of it, str as a string, or int 1 or 2 as a variable name if you would like to use something like that, or even use num1, num2, and so on. Avoid
Yeah.
reserved words as much as you can. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So please make one for loop, please, as
Uh.
exactly the same that you have done for 1D array. Um, I would say
Uh.
just print, close the for loop, and put inside line in the line number 16, put a print statement, and inside it put array and open the brackets, put index.
Sorry. What?
So you write yes, exactly like that. Oh, no, we have to open brackets. Right line is a function that takes something inside. Yes, exactly. So open a bracket, square brackets, and put the index first, and put the second as a column. So okay, you write it like that. Okay, fine, fine. Just try it like that first. Okay. without anything, just remove the comma. Yes, okay. Now end the for loop, please. The for loop.
Oh.
Yes, you have to write next. Okay.
Wait. Sorry.
You have to, yeah, you have to put next. What happened? Okay, so
Yeah.
he doesn't accept that you put it. He doesn't accept that you. No, no, no. Why you remove? Wait. What? Why you
Oh.
remove? Just put it back. Yeah. Okay. So what happened just now that because we tried to deal with a 2D array as if it is a 1D array, so he doesn't accept. So please, after the index here on line 16, put a comma again and put 0. So index, oops, index, comma, 0. And this is between the bracket. No, no, inside, 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 inside. So this is array, and yes, and close the bracket of the right line. Yes, run now, please. Okay, so we are able to print now, right? But can you
Yeah.
tell me now, what did we print?
0, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 2.
No, wait.
Wait,
So
no.
this
Oh.
1, 4,
0,
7.
0. Yeah, like, sorry, wait, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 2, 0.
Okay, so we printed 1 and 4 and 7.
Yeah, like, I meant like the array.
So we printed here 1, 4, 7.
Mm-hmm.
What can, so which column we printed? The first column, right? So
Yeah.
we fixed the column here, and we make the row changeable. So every time the loop runs, it will print something here. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting to us. So please, can you please create another for loop inside this for loop? So this loop actually for the row. So it will make you loop a row. Yes, exactly. So you should change index to row, more practical and more readable.
Hmm?
So make another for loop inside, please. And inside, yes, here, exactly. But use the word column. Yes, good. So you have to put two next statements. So you change it here. You need to correct it to next row, and here, okay, yeah. Excellent. How you managed to know that?
Huh?
How you managed to know that?
No what?
How you managed to know the answer just now?
I mean, you know, like
Okay,
just assuming.
okay.
Because I think I
Assumption
just
only.
never, I think I just never realized that I can use like the 2, 4 together like that.
Okay. So now you managed to know that you're able um, to print row by row. At the first time when you run, you only print the whole column. So actually, you are able to. I want to understand from you now. Are you able to control if you would like to print uh, one column by one column, or
Mm-hmm.
you want to print one row first and then go to the second, go to the third? So do you know that when you change in the for loop arrangement, you're able to change how you print your. So now you're printing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is located where? Here, 1, 2,
Uh,
3.
yeah.
So you printed one row, the first row first, then you printed the second row, you printed the third row. But you are able actually
Mm-hmm.
to change that. So if you switch both, this, you switched here, you are able to actually print the column first.
Yeah. It would probably go like 1, 4, 7, and then 2, 5, 8
Okay,
like that, right?
okay, yeah. So just for you to understand only.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
okay, okay,
Uh,
good.
can you give me a minute to like try to finish the code real quick?
Yes, sure.
'Cause okay.
Can I know why you thought about using while?
Because if I would just straight up put row plus 1 and column plus 1, they might, go until. Oh, wait, wait. Never mind.
Interesting.
Oh, we have to track it, right? Based on
Why
the
you?
question now.
Okay.
In the instructions, it's like keep track of the lowest number found so far, and then print the lowest number. So,
You don't need to create a new variable to do that. When you keep track means that this is how you keep track lowest number. So this is the keep. You already keep tracking of it. So you already
ah,
storing it somewhere.
okay.
Okay. Alisa, you know how to use Control-C, Control-V?
Yeah.
Okay. So Alisa, if you would like to report the exact index of row and column, or the values of the row and the columns, if you where you find the lowest number, you're not able to use the way that you're using now. Do
Sorry.
I need to repeat again?
Sorry. Yeah, can you say that again?
Okay. If you are asked to report the index, it means that the row and the column. Wait. Okay. Just leave it. So I am sure that this minimum is consuming a lot of time, but okay.
Sorry,
13
what?
end of statement. Okay. Expected line 13. Minimum max, right? Build field. Ah, wait, you didn't put a comma here.
Where?
Here. Line 13, between the lowest number and row.
Oh, yeah. I didn't realize.
So this method that you are trying now is excellent when the requirement is only to know what is the lowest number. But if they ask you, where did you find the lowest number, which row, which column you find the lowest number, you will not be able to answer. So again, 18, you have an error in 18. Check the spelling, check that console. Make it capital, please.
Which one?
He's telling that your line 18 is an error.
18, but I think it's a typing error.
Not only this, please check the C is capital. And make sure that the W in the right line also capital, please. Just think so that we don't have to wait another.
The W?
W here and here, yes. W here and here.
Oh, it works. Okay.
Okay, good, perfect. Okay. Okay. So he managed to get you the lowest number, right? Did you understand what?
Wait. No, this isn't the lowest number though, because
Okay, good.
in the end, the lowest number is supposed to be 1.
Let us close first, please, and then I will tell you what is the issue.
Yeah. Okay.
It's 30 minutes. Okay.